Hello guys, today I will tell you how to withdraw funds from Web3 wallet to Coinbase. So let's get started.
So first what you need to do is understand that direct transfers from Web3 wallets to Coinbase aren't straightforward due to different operational frameworks. Web3 wallets operate on decentralized blockchain networks while Coinbase functions as a centralized exchange. First, convert your cryptocurrency to a Coinbase supported currency like Bitcoin or Ethereum. This conversion can be done through a decentralized exchange or a bridge service. Transfer the converted cryptocurrency to your Coinbase account using the deposit feature. Navigate to Coinbase's deposit section and select the appropriate cryptocurrency and network. Copy the deposit address provided by Coinbase for that specific cryptocurrency. Return to your Web3 wallet and initiate a transfer to the Coinbase deposit address. Ensure the network matches exactly between your Web3 wallet and Coinbase deposit address. Once the transfer completes, your funds will appear in your Coinbase account. And that's how you withdraw funds from Web3 wallet to Coinbase.